Do you want to learn how to install WordPress on InfinityFree web hosting? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get to it. First, you need to go over to the infinityfree.com website and log into your account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you over to the dashboard page of InfinityFree. Now here, you need to create an account if you don't have one already. Just press on create account, scroll down, click on this create the free one, create now, confirm that you're a human. Now you need to type in a subdomain, for example, something like this, and domain extension. You can click here to choose one of your domain extensions. This is provided by InfinityFree. You can also connect your custom domain. I'm going to make another video on it, but for now, let's just go with this. Let's press on this check availability. Okay, it's available. Now the account username is generated automatically. Account password, change it if you want. And the email consent, you can click here. I approve, I do not approve. Just do that and then press on create account. And it's going to set up this account, and within like 48 to 72 hours, you would be able to install scripts in it. So install WordPress, etc. I already have one over here, which is set up. So I'm going to go inside this account. In order to install WordPress, you could do it manually or with the help of a script installer. So over on the left hand side, click on this script installer, and on this page, you'll find WordPress. Just press on this install. Here it's going to give you the choose installation URL. You can click here. Make sure to choose the HTTPS version with the www. Press on that and select this subdomain. You can also choose the version of the WordPress that you want to install. So on the right hand side, you can click here, the drop down, and select an older version or the newest version. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find site settings on the left-hand side. You can change the site name, site description, enable multi-site if you want to have one WordPress installation with multiple sites in it, and disable WordPress cron. You can check these if you want to enable them. You've got admin account on the right-hand side. You can add the admin username and the admin password. This is required. Make sure to use one, which you will remember later because you need to use them in order to access your WP admin page. Scroll down, you'll see choose language. You can select the different language here. I'll keep it English. Advanced options, you can click on that. Now here, this is also important. Make sure to change this WP to something else. It's going to prevent the default database attacks because every attacker knows that you're using a table prefix as WP. So instead of WP, change it to something else. There's auto upgrade WordPress plugins and auto upgrade themes. You can enable them if you want them to be auto upgraded, but I would not recommend you do this. Upgrade each plugin and theme yourself one at a time, because there is a possibility that if you upgrade one plugin, it will conflict with the other plugin and you're going to get a white screen of death. There's select theme next. You can choose one, but let's just go with the default one over here. You could select another theme once you have installed WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to do that later. So let's press on install on the bottom, and it's going to start the installation process. There you go. It's completed, and you can take a look at your website by clicking over here. Our website is live on InfinityFree web hosting, and you can go over to the WP admin page by clicking on this administrative URL. There you go. You're now inside the WP admin page. And you can go over here on the left hand side, appearance, themes. You'll see your different themes that you've got on your WordPress. You can click on add theme over here and choose one of these popular ones. Or you can also upload a theme if you've got from Envato Market or some other marketplace. And that's it. That's how to install WordPress on your InfinityFree web hosting account. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress and InfinityFree related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.